Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness is a timeless novella. It is set along the Congo River as Marlowe, a sailor, travels as the riverboat captain of a strange crew of cannibals, savages, and imperialistic Europeans. They are journeying to find the mysterious man, Mr. Kurtz. Rumors abound describing Mr. Kurtz as both a fearless leader of the natives in his part of the jungle and a savage tyrant seeking ivory for his own wealth regardless of the cost. When Marlowe finally meets Mr. Kurtz, well, I guess I'll let you read the book, but Mr. Kurtz was not what I expected. Overall, I really liked the novella, but it was hard to read. As the title suggests, it's not exactly happy. Also, Conrad uses extremely descriptive language to describe the simplest of things, which can get annoying. This, combined with the strange jungle dystopia he creates, made it hard for me to understand what was going on or relate to the characters. Despite all this, I would give this novella a 3.76 out of 5, because if you can get what's going on, it's a really powerful read that raised a lot of questions about hearts and darkness.